Welcome to the screen of my phone. So I found another incredible website where you guys can actually make money. But before we go fully into the video, my name is Esther and I teach people how to make money online. And if you are new here and you want to be getting notification for my new video, hit the subscribe button and bell icon, and also smash the like button, and also leave a comment in the comment section concerning the video you are about to watch now. And I want to tell you that on this online street, if you don't have a if you don't have a skill, you must surely have a time to earn money. So even if you don't have any experience, you don't have any certificate, you can actually make money on this site I'm about to show you. So right now, I'm going to show you the name of this particular website, and then let me go to my Chrome browser. And then I will enter the name of the site. The name of the site is microworkers.com. Microworkers.com, where you do simple task and you will get paid in dollars. Simple tasks and you get paid in dollars. This site actually have over 3 million workers, like over 3 million people working on this site, and they've already paid over $4 million to people. You can see that it is very, very great. So like on this site now, you do simple task, there is so much to earn on this site. You can transcribe document papers, like they have something on the paper and you have to write the text out. That's as simple as that. You can transcribe anything here. You can see it here that they've written the letters and the numbers on a plate, and just have to write it out. And you can compare products. You have question and answers. Just do simple tasks here. Simple tasks, and you can answer surveys, and you can tag an image, you can transcribe. Just leave all this big grammar I'm saying here, guys. So what you have to do here is that you just have to register on the website, because the tasks to do here are very, very many. So what you have to do is just click on this three hamburger sign and then click on login and on register. Click on register. Still loading. Click on register. So this is what you will do. You will put your first name, your middle name, which is optional, and your last name. So after that, you put your gender. That one too is optional. They are asking you to put your company's name. That one too is optional. Your date of birth, that one is compulsory. So you have to put it, and you put your email, your working email. So after that, you put your password, and mind you, your password must be strong. So don't put password that they will be rejected. I don't want to be hearing that, Esther, they are rejecting my password. Let me explain how you are going to put your password that they will not reject it. Right, let your the first letter of your password should be capital letter. It should be in a blocked format, like let it be in a capital letter. Let's say we want to write password like apple, let's say like apple 223. Okay, don't start with small letter A, start with capital letter A, then the other letters should be small letters. Do you understand now? So like you need to put you need to put numbers. So after putting numbers, then you have to put characters. You can put plus sign or star sign or underscore or dash or at. So just put it. That's the way they will accept your password. It's as simple as that. Do you understand? So everything must be 9, like everything must be 9 in numbers. So like with your the letters and the numbers and the characters must be 9 in numbers or more than that. So what you have to do after that is to provide your valid mailing address, like your address. You just put your address, like where you stay, just put that address. Then you put your zip code. I've always told you that whenever you want to get your zip code, just go to Google and then type your area. Like just type, if you are in Lagos, Nigeria, or anywhere in the world, go to Google, type in that area and put postal code at the front of it. Then you surely get the 6 digits numbers for your postal code. Then put it right here. So after that, put your city, then put your state and region in your country. So you select country. See, you can see that it is not meant for only Nigerians. So I'm from Nigeria, and then if you are anywhere in the part of the world, from maybe you are from Afghanistan, Angola, America, United Kingdom, anywhere, Croatia, anywhere, Cyprus, Egypt, anywhere, just put your country here, and then next thing to do is to click on these boxes, click on everything, just click on everything to receive their newsletter in your mailbox. Just click on everything, then click on submit. It's as simple as that. So the account has been created, and the next thing to do is to go to my Gmail account now, or any email you put while registering. Then go to it, then you can see, now. So what I have to do, I have to click my Gmail app, and then go to it and activate the link sent. So my email address has been activated. So I just have to do is just click to activate my account, and I will start doing simple tasks here. You can see it's on a zero account. You can see that the my account is now active, and all I have to do is to go to list available jobs. So these are the jobs that are available here now. So if you want to do any task, maybe you want to click on testing, sign up, videos, just click on anyone. Maybe you want to watch videos on YouTube, just click on anyone. Or maybe you want to write a review, you want to write an article, just click on any task, and then you will see the payment option. Like, you see the payment they want to give you. Just click on it and get it done. You can see this one right here, mobile app. Then you will get, when you download it, when you install it, and you give them video proof of that you've already done that, you will get $1.80. So there is so much money to earn on this particular website. This nice stroke 30 means that the owner of the job needs 30 people to do the job, and we have 9 people that have already done the job. So if you then do the first one, then you will surely be the number 10th person. So that is how you will earn on this particular website. And if you want to withdraw your money, you withdraw your money through Payoneer account. So I have done videos on how you can withdraw money or create money on a Payoneer account. So if you have not done that, or you don't know anything about it yet, just go to the description of the video, and then see the videos, and then register on register on Payoneer account if you don't have one for yourself. So let me know what you think about this website in the comment section, because I have another website where you can earn much more than this. In the comment section, just let me know if I should bring it on to you guys to earn more money online. Mind you, remember that if you don't have a skill, you must surely have time to always do online tasks to earn in dollars, or to earn money for yourself. So I will see you in my next video.